your babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to get this dewy look. Yes, it's a dewy look for oily skin. Now I know you probably like, but why are you doing this in the fall? We do matte looks in the fall. You do what you want to do. I'm Miss Grown. Okay, all right, let's roll the next clip. Okay, so this video is all about the base. Usually dewy looks happen in the summertime, and I know you like, why are we getting a dewy look in the fall? Because this is the best time for oily girls to use dewy makeup or to take advantage of dewy makeup. See, in the summertime, if you try to do a dewy makeup, you go out in the sun hits you, and your face, you just become oil slick and everything just melt off. And we don't like that. That's not cute. But in the winter, the fall, those times, it's not that much sun outside. It's not that hot. I live in Texas, so it is that hot. But for other people, other regions, it's not that hot. And it's easier for you to be able to control your oil and still achieve that dewy look. So in theory, I'm actually right on time. So anyways, you do your base like normal. So I use my normal primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Then I use my Farsali Skintune Blur. So now, this is a step that we don't normally do, and this is how you're gonna achieve your dewy skin. Get you an illuminating stick. You can use a liquid or you can use a stick. This is a glow stick from Sephora. It says Pearly Luminizer Wet Finish, and that's what you want. You wanna look wet, you wanna look dewy. The reason I'm applying this underneath my foundation is because I want it to give me that glow from within type look, and it's easier to control the oil that way. So you want to look at your face and you hit this on all the places that you will usually highlight, right? So where light usually hits your face. You see that? So I look like I have this healthy shine, this healthy sheen. Do you see that? It doesn't look oily. It just looks like a nice, healthy sheen. This what we trying to do. So yeah, you want to put that on all the high points of your face. Okay, now this is gonna sound counterproductive, but trust me, powder on top. At the end of the day, we are still oily, so we still need to lock in the primer that we've done. And because that illuminizer has those gold flakes in it, it's still going to peek through after you put your foundation on. See, even though we powdered, you still see we still have that healthy shine. It's still, listen to me, y'all. I would never steer you wrong. I'm your friend. So now we're gonna switch up our foundation. So usually I use a soft matte foundation, but I'm not gonna use a matte foundation today. I'm gonna use Too Faced Born This Way, their original formula, which is not a matte. It's more of a satin finish. And this is medium to full coverage, so I don't know why I put so much on, because it's a lot. Okay, foundation is applied. Now you see that? Still, we got that dewy look, and it looks really good. It looks really healthy. I'm gonna do concealer under my eye. I'm gonna do my contour, and then I'll be back after that. Real quick, while my concealer is drying down, if you are watching this video right now and you see that button that says subscribe without the D on the end, I mean you have not subscribed to my channel, and I mean you just here, just taking advantage of me. This so rude, and I don't like it. Hit subscribe, be my friend, because I love you. Just want you to love me too. Stop. Let's get into it right quick. You see me, you in my business. Yeah, don't do that. Let me stay on TikTok. Okay, so I'm about to do the eyes now. So I'm scooting a little closer to you so you can see me. So I'm gonna use this new primer. I don't know if this new, I have never seen this a day in my life, but it's by KVD Beauty, and it's called the High Impact Eyeshadow Primer. It's really weird because it looks like oil, and you see this black part and this clear part separates. I don't know what this is, but it works really well. I used it the other day and I was like, wait a minute. So you shake it and you open it, and it's this little dropper. It's like a science experiment. And you go, whoop, and then you apply that to your eyelid. And I know it looks like oil and it looks like a mess, but just wait, let it dry down. I'm going into the Jackie Aina palette and I'm taking Edges, which is like a red brick type of color, and I'm blending that right underneath my brow bone, but still leaving some of that concealer peeking through. And if you notice, I'm holding my brush far back because I don't want high intense color right here. Just want a light wash of color. Okay, now I'm taking Credit, which is a dark brown color. And we're gonna take Credit and kind of make a C shape with it, starting mid head of your brow. And going around the town with it. And like I said, kind of like a C shape. And then blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna take Lituation with this Lituation, which is like this muted, I don't know how to describe Lituation. Hold on, I don't want to knock it down. That one right there. So you really want to concentrate that coming up right into that crease right there. Yes. When I tell y'all this primer is bomb, the primer is bomb. Amaze balls. Okay, I really like that. Yes. Then you're gonna take that small brush with that brown color, which is Credit, and go right underneath your lash line. Is this a safe space? Like, can we be honest with each other? If this is a safe space and we can be honest with each other. Honestly, I literally hate lashes. I hate putting them on. I hate wearing them. I don't like them. They look good. They aesthetically pleasing. They complete your makeup look. But putting them on and blinking all day, I don't like it. I would literally snatch them off. That is all. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. You know what it is about lashes though? It's the lash band. Because like the regular lashes, like drugstore lashes like Ardell Wispies and you know, those, the lash band is really thin and I don't feel them. But like with these, you know, the like glam lashes, the band is thick and I can literally feel it like weighing down my eyes and I can't stand it. Like, hate it. But I love the look, so you see the dilemma I have. Anyways, okay, so the look is completed here. Now we're gonna complete the base. So I'm gonna add that wet illuminizer back again, just a little dab. And then we're going to take this powder. It is a glow powder. This is a product that I was testing for another company. I don't think they've released it yet, so I shan't say anything else about it. Whoops. I'm just gonna hit those points that I use to glow. I'm just saying anything. With the brush, I'm going to pat on that product right on top of where I put that illuminizer. I'm sorry. Huh? I thought a dry face said something. Baby, is she glowing? Does this not give you glow? Does this not give you gleam? Huh? Huh? Are you not getting shimmer and shine? Huh? Does this not give you dew? Okay, morning dew? Is that child? Let me go. Honey! Okay, let me stop. Y'all know I be getting carried away. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit more. Right? And then we're gonna add some blush. Don't ask me why I do that. So I like putting my highlighter and then doing my blush on top of the highlighter because it kind of makes it, you know, blend in a little better. If you was ever talking to somebody and they was like, you know, they just asked you a general question like, so what did you say Suzie did again? That. She did that. That's what she did. That's how you respond. Anyways, these lashes are Bougie by Latricia Nicole Beauty. I will put her information to her site down below. And gloss. We want to do gloss. So I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Slip Shine and Sugar Kiss. That is the completed look. I just showed you oily girls how to get that dewy skin. Okay? We're gonna call her Morning Dew. And she cute. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Comment down below and let me know if you have oily skin, or do you like dewy looks, or do you prefer a more matte look? I obviously opt for matte looks all the time, but it's nice to switch it up, and this looks really pretty. I love it. Let me know your thoughts below. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit that bell notification, you will not be notified the next time I upload. And if you are not notified the next time I upload, then you will have to go find me, and you're gonna have to search Brushwork by Suzie Bougie, and that is a lot of words, and I be trying to help you find me. Help me help you find me easier. Okay, thank you. Bye.